channel. Hola mga kamaster, I am Master Kukay Matapat. For this video guys, come and join me. Let's unbox this GeForce C14. So without any further ado guys, let's get it on! So let's also see what's inside the box. So let's get it on guys. So we have here the there's a manual, owner's manual. So as you can see, it's GeForce C14. Okay. Then there's also a flat washer and screw here. So it's a spare. So yeah. So this is it. We have the manual. So what's inside the box? There is also a tool. So as you can see, there is a tool for this bike. There is also a 2 emergency lights or reflectorized. Maybe we can put it here or here or here. So it depends on you guys. There's a 2 extra reflector. Oh, another thing guys, there is what's this? There's a free manual pump. So thank you mga kamaster for joining me unboxing my new GeForce C14. So till next time guys!